Hi friends, are you planning a trip to Thailand? In this video, I'll be sharing our complete Thailand itinerary, what and where we ate, my top food recommendations, along with some handy travel hacks. I have also made detailed videos for each of our tours, so don't forget to check those out in my description and my Thailand playlist. Our journey began in Krabi, where we stayed at the Krabi Heritage Hotel, just a short walk from Patong Beach. It was right in the heart of the city and cost us only 1000 baht per night. The view from our room was absolutely breathtaking. A majestic cliff stood right outside our window, showcasing the true beauty of Krabi. For lunch, we stayed in and ordered some room service. That evening, we headed to Patong Beach to catch the sunset. You can watch live fire dance performances every evening here. We went to a highly rated restaurant, Cafe 898. We had their vegan breakfast platter with quinoa, avocado, tofu, and a mango chia pudding. The chia pudding had bits of coconut shavings that added that perfect crunch. We treated ourselves to a butter garlic lobster with cheese. It was massive and tasted incredibly juicy. Next, we tried the famous crab omelette at a Thai restaurant called Palm Tree. It was packed with generous chunks of crab meat and tasted absolutely delicious. The next day, we went on a 4-island tour, which we booked from a local kiosk. The package included lunch with both veg and non-veg options. For the full details and visual highlights of this tour, check out the video linked above. After getting back from our tour, we freshened up and enjoyed some food from room service. Later in the evening, we headed to Patong Beach to catch the sunset. We treated ourselves to a relaxing full-body massage right by the shore, watching the sun dip below the horizon while listening to the soothing sound of waves. It was pure bliss. For dinner, we went to Thai restaurant and had pineapple fried rice and green curry. Private party was going on with lively Thai music adding to the evening's charm. The next day, we set out on a long-tail boat for the Hong Island tour, a true hidden gem that you absolutely shouldn't miss when in Krabi. You can check out the link in description for more details. You can take a short boat ride to Riley Beach, which is easily accessible from Patong via regular long-tail boat service. Round-trip tickets cost around 200 baht per person. Then we headed to the Last Fisherman Bar, a popular beachfront restaurant known for its relaxed tropical vibe. It was quite a hot spot. We had to wait about 10 minutes for a table. They had great live music, and to our surprise, the evening ended with a spectacular fire dance show. When in Thailand, don't miss the chance to indulge in 7-Eleven runs. Perfect for late night cravings or quick evening snacks. Everything is super affordable and delicious. We tried a cozy Mexican restaurant where we ordered taquitos and quesadillas. The place had charming cocoa-inspired decor which added a warm and festive Mexican vibe. We traveled from Krabi to Patong in Phuket by a shared minivan service that offered convenient hotel-to-hotel pickup and drop-off. The journey took around 3.5 hours. On the way, they make a stop at a restaurant where you can have lunch or snacks. We had a delicious bowl of ramen at the highly rated Japanese restaurant Machida Shoten. The broth was incredibly rich and creamy. I highly recommend this place if you are craving authentic ramen. We also dined at Wabi Sabi, where we tried both ramen and soba noodles. Each dish beautifully presented and full of flavor. But the real highlight of the evening was the shots of sake. It had an amazing floral aftertaste that lingered pleasantly, an experience not to be missed. You should definitely give After You Dessert Cafe in Central Mall a try. They have a wide variety of unique dessert items. Along the main road in Patong, you will find two major malls located opposite to each other, Jungsilon Mall and Central Mall. Both the malls have a variety of restaurants and food courts offering different cuisines. You can even buy one piece of sushi from each type to try a little bit of everything here. We tried red bean buns and yam spring rolls at a restaurant. The panna cotta with strawberry compote was perfectly sweet and tangy. It was super cool to be served by a robot waiter. I decided to get my PADI scuba diving certification while in Phuket, which meant dedicating the next 3 days to diving adventures around the stunning Phi Phi Islands and Maya Bay. You can find all the details about my scuba experience in another video. Next on my Phuket itinerary was the stunning Similan Islands, a true hidden gem. With powdery white sand and crystal clear blue waters, it was like stepping into a postcard. This was the most beautiful beach I have ever seen. Check out the video link in my description for more details. We tried the classic spaghetti with clams at an Italian place in Central Mall. Since it was my first time tasting clams, I was instantly hooked by their unique texture and flavor. That one dish led us down a delicious rabbit hole. We ended up indulging in a full platter featuring every kind of mollusk, mussels, clams, scallops, and oysters. Now I truly understand why oysters are considered such a delicacy. Then we indulged in Japanese mochi ice cream with muskmelon and mango flavors. The outer layer is made of soft, pillowy, sweet rice dough, and inside you have velvety ice cream. You should keep aside one day just to visit the charming Phuket Old Town. Famous for its vibrant and colorful buildings, this is the most Instagram-worthy place. Find more details in my video linked in the description. While traveling around Phuket, you can either take their public bus or shared vans as a budget-friendly option. After falling in love with Thai cuisine during our trip, we couldn't wait to try more. An Euro Thai restaurant did not disappoint. It's one of the top-rated spots in the area and for good reason. The flavors were the most authentic and delicious we have had so far. We ordered yellow Thai curry, papaya salad, red Thai curry, stir-fried morning glory, and pineapple fried rice. I would give a solid 5 stars, not just for the food, but also their impeccable service. When in Thailand, don't miss out on having mango sticky rice. You are going to be so addicted to it. Karon Beach is one of the lesser explored beaches in Phuket, boasting a long stretch of white sand that spans nearly 5 kilometers. Its rolling waves were absolutely fun to bathe in as we watched the sun dip below the horizon. This was one of the most magical sunsets we witnessed during the trip. To reach here, you can take the public bus to Karon Circle. I stumbled upon this authentic Spanish restaurant in Central. and just had to try their chicken parmesan. After watching countless episodes of Top Chef with classic Spanish delicacies winning them, I was beyond excited to finally taste one in real life. And let me tell you, it absolutely lived up to its hype. While staying in Patong, we couldn't miss spending some time at the iconic Patong Beach. It's easy to grab a can of beer or some snacks from nearby vendors and simply relax by the shore. The waves in Patong Beach are noticeably gentler compared to Karon, making it great for a relaxed swim or jet skiing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my Thailand playlist for detailed travel vlogs from the trip. See you soon on another adventure. Bye.